In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how much YouTube paid me for July 2023. We're going to talk about the number of views I earned. We're going to talk about how much Social Blade says, because a lot of people like to rely on Social Blade. So if you want to know how much I earned in July of 2023, be sure to watch this entire video. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pockets. And if you want to be that's not right. And if you want to be added to the globe, comment down below with your city, state, zip code, province, or country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so that is much better. As you can see, we've got the updated globe. Once again, thank you for helping me reach 100,000 subscribers. I sincerely appreciate it. But what we're gonna do today is we're gonna take a look at how much I earn just through YouTube. This doesn't account for affiliate marketing. This doesn't include any digital products that I've sold along the way. This only looks at YouTube. So the other thing that we have to also take into account is the amount of money that you can earn from YouTube is going to vary wildly. It's going to vary based on your niche. It's going to vary based on where your target audience is actually watching. For example, people in the US are worth more in advertisers' eyes when you compare that to someone in, I don't know, pick a country that is not in the tier 1. So understand that my numbers may look a little bit different. Even if we had the exact same videos, the exact same views, there could be some discrepancy there. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump in and take a look at how much I made in July of 2023. All right, so we take a look at my screen. The first thing that I want to show you is Social Blade. A lot of people love to refer to Social Blade as some valid metrics, and you're going to see why they're not valid at all. And again, one of the things that Social Blade does not take into account is it doesn't take into account your niche. It just gives you numbers based on low CPMs or cost per milli, cost per 1,000. As you can see here, it says that I make an estimated $1.9 thousand with per month with my YouTube channel, and I make about $22,000 per year. That's what Social Blade says. Now, if we take a look at my channel and we take a look at my channel analytics, as you can see, it's from July 1st to July 31st. You can see that I generated 464,000 views, okay? That seemed to increase towards the end of July, which is really exciting. Also, you can see that I generated almost 29,000 watch hours. Now, there was a time where I struggled to get 1,000 watch hours in 6 months. So if you're just starting a YouTube channel, know that it can come if you are consistent and persistent. I also gained 9.6 thousand subscribers. And again, there was a time, in fact, last year where I would struggle to get 20 subscribers in a day. And I'm going to show you and tell you the types of content that really drive my channel, especially this year, so that you can consider making something similar. But as you can see, 464,000 views, almost 29,000 watch hours, and just under 10,000 subscribers. Now, what has really driven my channel is the I Tried It series. As you can see, the top 2 videos are me testing out different side hustles, and I think that's a key that someone can implement for any niche, okay? Test out what other larger content creators are saying. Go out and find videos that are doing well within the last few weeks, test them out, and see what actually works and what doesn't work. I think you can do a variation of that for just about any channel. The other thing that works really well is affiliate marketing gurus are lying to you. In general, I think negative keywords tend to stand out, and as you can see, the F and then the asterisk there, as well as the lying, the negative keyword, also worked out very well in my opinion. And again, I think that's something that you can take from my content. What tends to work is me testing out other side hustles and kind of the negative keywords you can see there. And then if we look out of the top 5, 4 out of them are different I Tried It series, and most of these videos have been around for a few months, okay? Only this video was uploaded July 3rd. This other video, December 26th, December 20th, July 3rd, as I mentioned, and November 1st of 2022. That's the power of YouTube, is you can create a video today, it might not take off for a few months, and then all of a sudden it just catches traction and goes wild. That's what happened with this video and continues to happen basically every single day. Lots of people are viewing this video. And so, and then again, teaching people how to get started with affiliate marketing is where how I got started. This actually did well, as you can see as well. And then the final one is on I tried it. This works. This is actually showing off a person that watched my YouTube videos and implemented what she saw or they saw and actually made money from it. So you can see those are the top 10. Me testing out different side hustles that always seems to get people going, doing a few negative keywords where people are lying to you or, you know, the whole truth isn't being revealed. And I think that can help you and that can help your channel very well. But one thing that you should take from my channel is consistency and persistence. This most viewed video right here, which has 75,000 views just in the month of July, this video was uploaded December 26th. So it's over 6 months old. Okay. Most of these videos are over 6 months old and they're still getting a bunch of views. So I can just quickly run you through how I find different ideas. One thing that I like to do is I'll type in something like make money or affiliate marketing, make money, because this is essentially what my niche is. We type in make money and then I'll go to filters. I'll go to this month. So we're going to sort by videos that were made in the past month. And then I can go to view count. And then you can take a look and see what videos have gotten a lot of views in the past month. Another option that you can do is you can type in something like, I'm going to do make money with PayPal like this. And then I simply will open up the video or the channels that are within my space. And again, this is something that anybody can do. And I think this is something that you should try. In your niche, open up channels and then take a look at the videos that have done well in the past 2 weeks. So for example, Success with Sam, I think I've done, I tried it, but I think I've reacted to one of these videos. And what we're looking for is we're simply looking for a video that has done very well. For example, 13,000 views. Now what I'll do is I'll either try this method or I'll react to the method. Or, you know, the third option obviously is to just close it. Another thing that we can do is, for example, with Ryan Hildreth, what we're going to do again is we're going to look at the videos that have done well in the past 2 weeks. This video right here earned $300 per day watching YouTube videos free. Heads up, guys, I'm probably going to make a video on this. It has 33,000 views, and I want to piggyback off of the views that are out there. Okay, this one has 26,000 views. I want to piggyback off of these. I want to get the traffic that's already going to this. And so what I'll do is I'll strategically use the exact same title. I will borrow the thumbnail by simply downloading it to my computer, and then I'll use it inside of my larger thumbnail, as you guys have seen multiple times. But this is really how I go about it. I will actually take a list of channels and I'll put them in a Google sheet or, you know, like an Excel spreadsheet, and I'll actually go through and I'll look, and if I see one that has generated a lot of views, I'll probably make a video on it. So I get questioned frequently, why do I keep making the same videos? Or I want to go where the traffic is already going. If people are already going to this video, I want to go to the video and actually test it. This is piggybacking off of what works. I could go to a video that got 2,000 views, but that seems silly. That's not smart. That's not logical. Go to something that seems to already work. See if you can improve on it and then move on. But that's how I go about finding different video ideas. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at about how much I made in July. So if we look at this, in July, I made $9,018.73 just on this channel. If we look over here on the right-hand side, my revenue for every 1,000, so RPM, was $19.62, and I generated 457,000 views. We're gonna round. If we look at my shorts here, I generated 5,000 views in my shorts, and I got paid 0.07 cents for every 1,000 views. That's how the math works out. And then of course with my lives, I've made $51.69. Now with my lives, I actually pay a little bit more. Revenue for every 1,000 views, $25.83. And if I just click on view more so that you can see how this breaks down. You are getting an inside peek that I don't think a lot of people share with you. Now, as I mentioned early in the video, the amount of money that you can make will vary by video. Some of these videos, some of these RPMs are $30, the stupid simple way to start affiliate marketing. Some of these are $8, like this I Tried It, only paid $8,000 for every 1,000 views. But some of these can be as high as 50. I've seen one that was 50 once, like this one is 64, target affiliate program. Logically, if you are in this to make money, I probably want to make another target affiliate program because it paid $64.25 for every 1,000 views. Now, again, if you are creating content on YouTube with the purpose of making money, you want to think of this as a business. You want to make business decisions. And if you are trying to put money into your pocket, find things that are going to pay you the most, okay? So as you guys can see, the RPM can vary greatly depending on the type of video, who's watching the video. So if, let's say, people that are in a developing country are watching a video, the RPMs aren't going to be as high. For example, this one, even though I've had 13,000 people, 3% of all of my views for July 2023 came from this one video, the RPM is only 1616, whereas, with this one up here, which paid $30, we'll look at this one, 9,000 views, it made more money. So hopefully you're able to see, hopefully this is making sense. I also had a few, I think they're called super chats, and thank you for the super chat. I don't know where that is or how to, oh, here we go. Supers, $3.26. So I think someone, a couple people I think did supers, so that's great. And as you can see here, these are the top earning pieces of content. The affiliate marketing gurus are lying, as you can see, and so on. Now, I want to point out, actually, let's look at this one real quick. As you can see here, the estimated revenue, the watch paid ads, monetized playback, CPM. There's a difference between CPM and RPM. CPM is the amount of money that advertisers are willing to pay for every 1,000 views, and the RPM is the actual money that YouTube will pay you. So there is a little bit of that difference. If you're looking there and you see there's it doesn't add up, that's why. And then YouTube Premium came in at $78.22. Now, what I want you guys to understand is this is something that takes consistency and persistence. You're not going to wake up, you're not going to roll out of bed and just automatically fall into $8,000. And the other cool thing too is I did this with less than 100,000 subscribers. Subscriber count doesn't matter. But just know that you don't need to have this huge mega following to be successful online. Comment your thoughts down below. Tell me what you think about the new globe setup, and watch this video next because YouTube says it will help you grow your online business.